Just like another good example, God creates you with your natural nails, with your natural beautiful nails. Somebody come and say, no, that one way God creates you with, e not good. Now the plastic where he or she creates, when she do, now better pass. You will see some people will get long nails on their own. They go cut some throw away. Go buy plastic where go damage the one where Baba or Mama God take create them. If you see some girls' nails, they themselves they shame for their nails to an extent they don't feel like just leave them without they not cover them up. Hi guys, welcome back to Sophie Universe, wherever you're watching me from around the world. I pray may the good spirits bless and strengthen you. May he or she open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video or listening to my audio, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with you, my amazing brothers and sisters. So my gallant, beautiful subscribers that keep coming back to check me out, to see what I got to offer, thank you very much for coming back. May the good spirit guide and protect you as usual. Guide your going out and your coming in, your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy. Keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to share with you now the hot gist when I come across for social media, where I decide to come share with you now. Actually, na post, and I decide to bring and come here to still see una opinion for the matter, to show una how some people take the reasons of kind thing one can. With all due respect, I just walk out my own day go for social media, see one post. Guess who will post that kind of post now? Na only bros AY. He still borrow the post from another bros we complain about this particular thing. What I want to share with you now. So now this very particular post way there, I think every Africa pikin will come from Africa will know what this one be. This one and grind the stone. Why where me from come we they call her Olo. Who no know Olo? He never sabi life. He never, in fact, they never born upon this world, you understand? But the small problem we come there for this Olo matter. Now the caption in the thing where the bros right follow the Olo matter. Now me look one can say masculinism, gender thing they play for here with all due respect. You know, some people when they play gender card, they themselves know they realize them. They themselves know they know. Now who they pass, now they see say man, clothes what you put for outside they not clean. I don't know whether or not they understand what I they talk with all due respect. In caption the post like this. Sadly, none of nowadays girls can use this. Like this bros your face say man, he don't pass all the Africa finish. He don't pass all the Africa guests finish. Like babe not there again. Way fi use them. My own personal thing for this matter, and I say why must it be say na only girl go they use them? When I they grow they come that time, my grandmom they ask my brother to go use this grandstone. Stone. I don't know if you understand why this bros feel say na women's job. I don't know why he not talking to himself, ask himself whether he go fit use them. Why must it be say na woman go use them? Is it made for women? The right hand put when they create this grinding stone, say na only women hand then they put. This one are how some people take they unknowingly they play their gender card with all due respect. Because me personally, I don't see anything wrong in using the phrase say these modern people, like include yourself just as every other person they do, and include yourself, because on a normal day if they say me this bros do now onions wey go dey ground the kind big kata wey go dey fall for this bros nose not be here. This grinding machine does spoil many people. That one are fat, but him for still include himself, say he no go fit still do am again. He not dey compulsory say na only women now they make this thing for. I don't know whether this bros never see some men wey use this grinding stone pass women. I don't know whether in general whether this bros never see man wey cook pass woman. I don't know. That time when women were guests, what would they date a guy for passengers? You will see on Sunday, boys they go hold grinding stone and general grinding stone, all of them they use. Boys will not get a babe. They go they grind their pepper by themselves. They grind their pepper by themselves. Some men believe, say men, pepper where they grind with hand, where they grind with this grinding stone, sweet past the one where they grind for machine. They prefer to use their hand to grind them. So I don't know how come this bros can conclude say na only women now supposed to use this grinding stone. I bet mona still help me out. Maybe na me they like not fit understand where this bros from they come. If una still understand that, una believe say man, this grinding stone, the brain behind this grinding stone, the person wey make this grinding stone, if he write and put say na only women na suppose they use them, or na only women for this our generation where grinding machine does spoil, na no fit use them again. I beg, I would like make I still hear from una own opinion by dropping your comments below. The matter not end for there. Una know say if I not share the response of my adorable brothers and sisters with una, it will be like say not be me do this video. Inside the comments wey come share for there, one of my beautiful sister can still like retaliate. I think she was indirectly talking to this my bros to still make her own points. She can still put this post. She can say, sadly, none of nowadays men can do this. In my own opinion, again, with all due respect to each and every one of you, I understand the fact say everybody not be the same. I understand the fact say everybody not the reason the same. But there are some things you don't just put out there because you don't know as you don't know as people want to react put. This one right here, where I think they not tell me say she used until reply the broso, just that the caption to look alike, you know, understand. That make me reason like that. It not the compulsory say now all men now they opportune or now get opportunity to do this thing. People wey dey for village, with all due respect, people wey get the privilege for their papa to be farmer or their mama be farmer, now go they look their papa they do this kind of thing. Person wey grow for city, you no go expect am make go climb a palm tree now. You want break the guy waist or you want break his neck, you want make it fall for there. Not be everybody sabi do that one. So in my opinion, not be all men, not be if you do this thing, because not be everybody will do one thing. That is why for abroad, your doctor, your personal doctor, no fit give you injection. Who they give injection different from who they give medicine. Who they treat brain different from who they treat teeth. Who they treat teeth different from who they treat leg. Who they treat leg different from who they do operation. So there are different field where people fit get experience in. It not the compulsory say all our men must know how to they do pantry job. If all of the yoko they do pantry job, one can't do the rest job. With all due respect. With that being said, make we jump into the mighty gallant comments from my wonderful brothers and sisters. This my sister, she replied that my brother will bring a grinding stone come and she say, how I wish I can get it now. Used it before while growing up. It makes the food taste better. Ekolo, this one I waiting I talk just now. Still some men believe now still be this one. So you know me say because of say maybe say we come there abroad, we not get the opportunity to use them. Not me say we not go use them again. Some people will come out from abroad. If they still go bongo, they'll still go visit their people for village. They'll still go village, go farm. You not come out anything for anybody body. If person no want just do one a choice, you know me say you not fit do one again or you forget. Me I not believe that one. Then the next one say, why should I know how to use this law? Na poverty competition una dey do. I will pass this biko. This one another opinion here. Grinding with grinding stone, my beautiful sister, I not think, in my opinion, say na poverty. We too dey take things like with the reason things where we do because we be small children where they force us do things, we dey feel say na suffer. Not be suffer, because if you look am, that one will save us money pass all this machine where they bring come. Machine wey not dey last a year, before you know it you go buy another one. You know how many years your grinding stone go carry you pass? You know how many years? More let our thing dey like enter our eye. More let our thing dey enter our eyes. Our forefathers, they not dey stupid to create all these things. So some people go still come on, still call this pot where our grandmama they put water that time poverty. If you no get sun dey shine reach, me you go fetch water for this pot, make the water hot. The water go cold like say tomorrow not dey. That one na their own fridge, and it go the scent wey go give you not be here. It not mean say na poverty. Not be poverty, my sister. Remove this thing from your brain, say na poverty. Not be poverty. This one na this machine wey they use, so with all due respect, now wait for people to take extract money from us. Not be extract that they call am. Now wait for people to take like tell us say man our thing not good. Now wetin dem dey create na good pass. Wetin you go buy where you go throw away after 6 months? Like, does it make sense, my people? With all due respect, just like another good example, God creates you with your natural nails, with your natural beautiful nails. Somebody come and say no, that one wey God creates you with, e not good. Now the plastic where he or she creates, when she do na better pass. You will see some people will get long nails on their own, they go cut some throw away, go buy plastic wey go damage the one where baba or mama God take create them. If you see some girls nails, they themselves they shame for their nails to an extent they not feel like just leave them without they not cover them up. Super glue don't chop nonsense come up for inside. Then who is fooling who? Who is doing who? Can't you see there is something wrong somewhere, my brothers and sisters? When I know they see and say something wrong somewhere, if your natural nails long, you fit paint them as you like them. You fit do any design as you like them, but they don't bring everything for this world now brainwash. They don't brainwash you to that extent. Say, man, your own thing where they with you, where Baba, Mama, God, Mother Nature take create you. They don't make you see and say it not good. So now the one where they create, where you go tell like be slave to the look for money 24 hours, they stress yourself, you want belong to like go they stress yourself. They do one where just be say Mother Nature just create them free of charge. I beg more they wake up. I beg sometimes things what they see as suffer, not be suffer, now just brainwash. Now our brain idea, honestly, with all due respect, because if you look and when this life it's too simple, it's too easy. Baba God or Mama God, he make everything easy for us, but because we have been brainwashed, we dey look everything say he hard though, he not hard if you feel just appreciate the one where you get. If you feel just like they contented with waiting you say God where you love creates you with, you will see say suffer not dey this world, honestly. Then the next one say, thank God I am no more a girl. Because my grandmother taught me how to use it. I can use it perfectly well. Earthwise is better than the electric blender we use these days. You see what I dey talk just now. This my sister just confirm her. Thank you, my beloved sister. Then the next one say, I will appreciate if I have this. Sister, if you know say you obey, inbox me. I love using this more from Pepe Grinding. This my beautiful sister say, stay using it despite the fact that I have blender at home. My kids love Pepe Grinded with it more than anything. You see, This one lady bros wey say girls of these days or women of these days not dey use them again. This one are women of these days. This one are one of the women of these days. Then the next one say, even me as a guy use it. Bros, abeg give me your address. I need to post thank you card to you for proving my point. Say men use it too. It must not be something of women. Man and woman are the same, with all due respect. Now the same blood dey flow for our body. All depends on how you take grow. Some men they go hasepo. The madam or the oga no dey gree make their children do something. Now let the asep wey be boy, now they do everything. You consider that boy no go grand pepper because say na boy. They tell you say they care. Now only when you dey with your mama, sometimes now they talk say na woman the grand pepper, not be woman the grand pepper. But if you take that pikin out, that made child, you take him out of the house, person wey you go give go tell you say now your mama your papa ask you before be king, not be here. So enter kitchen, go and grind that F pepper. He go grind and he go smooth well, smooth past the one way woman even grind. God bless you again, my brother. Then this my beautiful sister say, it depends on where you are living. When I was in the village, I use it every day. Still pan fufu join. Chai, God punish people where they wish me bad. This is not go remember. Where she from they come? Oh, Bamia. This my beautiful sister say, what is so important about this grinding stone when electric blender is everywhere? Anyway, I don't like it from the beginning. See person now, not be these days she not like am. Now for many years ago, now she not like am. So make we learn how to like they use some. I use God beg. I know say not easy, but putting it out like that, it annoys a lot of people. When we still use the grinding stone, some people not just like them, just like some women not just like to cook. Some women not just like to cook. You know, guy you want to do one, but you know me say they be bad person. They not just like them, it's their kind of person. Now there you for see man we like to cook. That is, he love want to cook. In fact, if you no enter kitchen, say wife dey kitchen, he go dey vex. Because they give am joy. E no me say na woman rapper, na wetin he love to do. E no me say no be man again, na wetin he love to do. Now just wetin he love to do. So everybody not be the same. My main point for here, my brothers and sisters, now say everybody not be the same. Right from time, some women not just like am to use that grinding stone take grind pepper. Now so some men just still be, they not like am to use grinding stone take grind pepper. Somebody like me I not just like to wash plates. I not like to wash plate that time. I not like am as small pikin. Hey, if you give me plate to wash, I go hide them. I go hide them for under cupboard. That's small pikin sense. I don't like am. So you can't tell me now say because say I don't like am that time. If I can't use plate, say it's now I not go fit wash am. It be my brothers and sisters. This my beautiful sister say lies. We still use it here in Port Harcourt City. No matter what, you won't find sand in it. I do use it. This one are nowadays babe. If you never get that kind babe, not to say all babe not the same bro. This my sister say, it's like you have not heard of the word change before. Okay now. This my bro say, my two daughters use very well. This my sister say, I still use it yesterday night to grind pepper for water leaf and it's so sweet. Okay now. See many people they prove this my bros wrong. Oga, I used this yesterday to make firewood stew for my grandmother house with my nails done. You don't see matter. The next one say, I still do this at times. You just feel like eating stew prepared with the stone. It tastes differently. Not be lie. That one are waiting many of us just believe. So computer or blender no affect many of us. We'll see whether I'll fit take one more end down for here. The last one when I'll fit take say stories of the gods. When I'm in my mother's place, that's what I use with pride. It's not like she doesn't use blender, but there's some spices I will use stone to grind. Moreover, how can I use blender to grind to pepper? If I want to make small portion of indomie or spaghetti, good point, my sister. That period, if you want cook enyigbiagia, you what they call enyigbiagia. You want cook all those pepper small village stew where they put for that black pot. You put red oil, you just need small pepper to just put. It go come out for blender. But if you put down with onions, put down for the grinding stone, matcha, organo. So I might take one or two comments from that my sister where still reply that bros we post that grinding stone out. The first comment for that one say, this is a job only made for professionals. You can't tell a blacksmith then to do this. Forget nowadays, not all men do it then. But grinding pepper is for all ladies. Like seriously, bros. It's for all ladies. Who write down? Who tell you? Where is there for Bible? Who tell you that one? Which spirits come whispering for your ear? People like this, my bros, with all due respect from my side, and I believe say women belongs to the kitchen. Like you are kidding me right now. Who exclude men from the grinding stone things? But bros, not gonna provoke me. I beg. Mona stop all this gender card one they play everywhere. And the funniest thing be say many of this my bros, they not they know say that they play gender card. They not they know. This my bros say he don't show me pepper, but I can still do it. I be the use cash out. This my brother Kingsley say, we say make you bring knife come fight. You carry RPG. Why? Okay now. This my bro say, who tell you I can do it very well? That's you, bro. God say you fit do one, not me say everybody fit do one. I think say if you still go around that Nigeria, if you go around your neighborhood for village area, you still see woman where they climb a palm tree like this, where they tap palm wine, you go see woman. Because that time when women were babies, me I did climb the guava tree, I did climb mango tree, I did climb any tree where fruit don't dey. Not be say na only for men, but then they beat me put say na man thing you dey do man thing. Ask me where the right hand put say na man I dey only climb tree. If you pass village, this thing where some men they talk say na professional thing, so say they not go fit do am. If you still reach villages, you see women where they tap palm wine. Yes, see they say what you never see, you never walk carriage there. Now so this life you'll be. The next one say, now from palm tree, my grandpapa fall, break he, breathe he last. Now early grave be this. Some people too funny. Then this bro say, I can still do this. Hey, good bros. What the person don't learn? It don't dance. It don't day inside you. It don't dey inside you, you no go fit comot. Na only fear will come be. It just be like you don't know how to drive and you can't dey abroad for a very long time, you don't get the opportunity to drive. E no mean say if you carry steering again, say you no go fit drive am. E no mean say if you reach Nigeria, say man, you come buy car. Say that experience where you first get to take drive go comot. Fine, fear go dey say e don't say where you touch steering reach, but you go fit still drive am. Now so it just be. What the person does sabi, you does sabi. I don't know whether or not they understand. This my beautiful sister say, men that can't even climb pussy, how do you expect them to climb tree? Oh God. This my sister on your see their body. Ah, God though. Then the next one say, that's my work, sir, before I leave the village to city. And many people are still doing it till today, sir. Now so it still be for Grandistone matter. Now so it still be for Grandistone matter. Many people still they use that till tomorrow. Some parents, some papa, some mama don't like that grinding machine taste. They feel say the taste no dey. Without that Grandistone, they know they eat stew. Some parents use there, especially our old parents who still get granny, grandpa and grandma. Where don't they used to that taste of Grandistone? You dare not tell them say you want to go use a machine to grind their tomatoes. They go know from the taste. You know, guy you taste a bit cookerish. They go know say a machine that grind that tomatoes, or that bitter leaf, or that ekusu. They go know. Then this my brother say, then they use poverty brag. Mona know they take everything as poverty. This is what makes you a man. Now this one, now every man they do. Real men that they work hard. We don't to forget ourselves. We think say man because we they grow they come. We they see them say man. Now suffer things, now suffering things. Don't be suffering things when you put swag. For abroad for year, farmers now get money pass anything where you fit think of. We don't any hasha, now brainwash, now just brainwash. Now just brainwash. When you put swag for your farming things, when you put swag, you go know say man, we get everything what they wrong, what they find for another place. Now just swag, now just common sense. With all due respect, more not they use our pain till they act for future. That time, things what we do that time, if we say more reason and now many of us we they pray, say more fit on, we they pray if we feel just feel go back to go change some things where we do, honestly, because person don't know rich. You can't any asha may just may rest, bros. Not be poverty bragging. To me, everybody not be the same. Maybe now so you see them. All depends on how you see it grow. As me take the reason now, seeing everything around me right now. See, bro, that pine wine. If all this Oyibo see the way they take value, they go value and pass beer. Where me are you the value? So all this Eniki, all this Jack Dennis and the rest. What they look say, na come powerful pass for market. Our pine wine. Powerful past that one. Just that they know how to do their marketing well. Put palm wine for market now. May you see as Oyibo go to analyze and give you. This is natural. There is no chemical. They'll come designer for you. Will be say you will get and will come even they admire and say, "Yeah, so this thing monkish." Just that we don't know how to market our own thing. I make come with the look and say, "What's in there here?" They say native doctor with the person land. You know they get value until you come out for house. Now so it be. Then to conclude this side too, this one and the last one why I would take from this side. This my brother say, suffer not they tire you. Okay now. No problem, bro. Now since you feel say now suffer to drink your own products, to produce your own food, you feel say now suffer, but you want me another person do produce give you put for fridge make you just sit down make you dey down and they count how many bottle you don't guzzle for any key, you don't guzzle for star beer, you don't guzzle for Gouda. Not be person do am. Una don't ever hear say those ones they complain say na wetin they call am na suffer head. Make I leave one for here, my brothers and sisters. See, Mona tell me what una still think concerning all this matter, because this one man versus woman debates now. And thank you so much for sharing this your precious time with me. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. So my adorable brothers and sisters, now here my fuel for finish. Now here the gist for end. Mona not forget to drop on a comment below. Make I first get opportunity to take visit to our universe. If una think say grinding stone na for just women or na just normal thing for human being to do. Abeg bros out there, if you still use am then wey you dey bongo, let us still know. For some people to take know say man, you be man, you be woman, e no mean when you like something you can do something. So please help us on the comment section more for still see to say like enlightening people to wake up from this their gender card wey dem dey play unknowingly. With all due respect, till I come your way next time, guys. This Sophie Universe, the massive truths. If you've not subscribed, what you still dey wait for now? Subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with you, my amazing brothers and sisters. Don't ever forget to be the change you want, my brother, and let me be the change I want. Don't ever forget to be the change you want, my sister, and let me be the change I want. You are the change we are looking for in Africa. I am the change we are looking for in Africa. Together, when we all change, they do better things. Come out our hand from bad things. Stop the hypocrisy. Stop the gender card where would they play. Believe me, our papa and our mama land will be one of the greatest and sweetest in the world. You go enjoy them, me go enjoy them, our children go enjoy them, our children will still come enjoy them. Not be saying a lie. And I also pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us, protect our going out and our coming in. Give us reason to love, tolerate, and forgive each other. Give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge, and every other bad stuff. Don't forget to share my video, guys. Don't forget to patronize me. And don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. To the next video. One love.